Hi, and welcome to the fifth video on this patch. We're going to be talking about the mix mode today. So yeah, you can see it just here. First, I'll explain a bit about how the actual patching works. So it's all the way at the bottom down here. So yeah, what we've got here is quite hard to explain, but once you see it in practice, it's kind of very intuitive, and I tried to make it that way. Essentially, what you've got is it's all controlled by the position of the hands. So as you can see, when you go to presentation mode, you've got these green bars, and that represents a kind of volume slider. So the further up it is, the higher the gain. Further down it is, the lower the gain, obviously. So you, if you have a look at this bit of the patch just here, this is where the X and Y coordinates for both hands are coming in, and it's basically saying you hover over the slider that you want to grab and pull down or push up. You clench the fist, and then you can pull it up, down, and also use gestures on the opposite hand to do stuff like panning and reverb. So yeah, you basically select the track by holding it, and then you've got full control over the track, and you can do all sorts of different things with it there. So that's basically what's going on in this sort of complicated bit here. This part is about the panning. So whenever you've got a track selected, you control the panning for that track with the roll of the right hand, like that, or the left hand if it's on the other side of the mixer. And yeah, this is for reverb, which actually I'm going to talk about in another video, because I wanted to do all of the sort of effects and edity stuff in one video, so that's what I've decided to do. So yeah, we're just going to be talking about turning things up and down, and the panning. What I should also mention is these gain meters just here are also feeding into this big patcher down at the bottom, and basically what this does is the peak gain detected by the gain meter is fed into here, and it changes the color of the bars, which you saw earlier. These bars, when it starts to peak, they'll go red, which I thought was quite nice for a bit of visual feedback for the user, as to when you've pushed something a bit too hard and you might be peaking. So yeah, they grow and shrink in accordance with how high or low the gain is, and also they change color according to the peak gain detected by the gain meter. So yeah, that's that. So I've recorded in synth loop and another terrible vocal sample for you to enjoy. So I'll just show you a bit about how the mixing is done. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, that's just about how that works. Um, it's all pretty intuitive. There's a couple of kinks to work out. For example, what I noticed I was playing there, it when I went to grab the synth at the end to bring it down, and the same with the mic actually, where I grabbed it, it went down just a little bit too much immediately, so it had a bit of a jump in volume there. But yeah, with a little bit more problem solving, I think that'll be quite easy to solve. But yeah, that's basically how the mixer works. Next time I'll go through how the effects work, and then all there really is left to do is about the granulator on the mic channel, and there's the glitch sort of processing on the drums. So yeah, thanks for watching once again, and hope it was enjoyable. See you in a bit.